Good morning, friend. I Ravindra Dev Sureshi, presenting the study of physical properties of some chemical substances in the solar system under the guidance of Dr. Syed Hussain Sir, Sir Syed College, Aurangabad. Now, as you know, in the recent date, we are correlating the physicochemical properties of therapeutic effect of the drugs of the molecule, and literature survey shows that it has been studied on this background, and this prompts us to undertake the study of thermodynamic properties of a drug in a binary solvent system like ethanol water system at 301.15 Kelvin. And our aim is to select the few drugs recently introduced in the market and which are commonly used. And as you know, the physical-chemical properties plays an important role in the molecular interaction. And my idea is that when solid-solid interaction takes place, there is a variety of phenomena takes place, and the solutions which containing electrolytes more than one solvent, that is called as a mixed solvent system. And as you know, water is a very good excellent solvent for the chemical reaction, and it is also called as a universal solvent. My major idea is that you have to remember that like dissolves like, and we have selected some drugs like antibacterial, antidepressant, antihistaminic, hypoglycemic, and anti-hyperlipoproteinemic categories. These drugs we are determining their density, viscosity, partial molar volume, conductance, refractive index in the absence and the presence of an additive electrolyte and non-electrolyte. This analytical data on the solubility of and purity were comparing with the pharmacopoeia standard. Now, the working principle of this studies is that we have calculated the viscosity that is given by the formula eta1 is equals to rho 2 by rho 1 t1 by t2 into eta 2, and in this way we have calculated the viscosity of the solutions. Besides this, there is very one important equation that is called as Jones-Dole equation, and Jones-Dole equation is nothing but the eta r is equals to 1 plus a into under of c bc, which is used for the dilute solution. And the second, the solutions which are concentrated, we have used the eta r is equals to 1 plus bc. And as you know, okay, there is a plot between eta upon eta 0 versus concentration of electrolyte. It confirms that Jones-Dole equation is satisfied. Now, besides this, A and B are these are the parameters which are used by the least square method, and they are positive, which indicate that there is solute-solvent interaction may be takes place. Now, that interaction is takes place more correctly. Then we also use the Mason equation for the partial molar volume. It is found that there is change of square root of the concentration, where phi is the apparent molar volume at infinite dilution, and this equation is adequately represented at the concentration dependent of the magnitude of the phi zero of a electrolyte over a whole range of temperature and concentration. Now we are there is conclusion we are taken, and that conclusion is that the density, whenever density increases, density increases in a parabolic manner, with a mole fraction. The second observation was that the viscosity increases from 10 to 15%, that become maximum at 50 to 60%, which in aqueous ethanol, and then decreases. Now, the third factor we also observed that the Jones-Dole A coefficient is found to be negative in all studied drugs, and beta coefficient value are found to be positive, but it regular trend was not observed. Now, apparent molar value, as I told you, this value it can be found in positive and decreases with the increase in percentage of ethanol in water solvent system. Now, the present investigation is very useful in the society to illustrating the changes occurring during the various liquid mixtures of the body. And further, the scope of this study is that the parameters like dielectric constant, surface tension, heat capacity, measurements, and infrared NMR spectroscopy can be done. Now, this study is involved that there is a making and baking of the bond, and there are certain references to supporting this thesis. So, I am very much thankful to the departmental coordinator Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Modern University, Dr. Babu Singate sir, then my research guide, Dr. Syed Hussain sir, then I am also very much thankful to the Dr. Bamu, then I am also very much thankful to Dr. P. Yastekar sir, then I am very much thankful to Mr. S.M. Srikande sir, who is Administrative Officer in Investment Mandal, and I am also very much thankful to my colleague Dr. G.T. Pawar sir, Dr. S.S. Zotre sir, Ms. R.M. Dolos madam, then Vidya Dope madam. Thank you very much.